What if I told you a 20-year-old boy with zero money in his pocket built an entire bakery empire? But here's the crazy part. He didn't beg, didn't steal, didn't take loans. He did something so simple yet so powerful that a grumpy old man who never trusted anyone gave him free bread for a week. And when a fire destroyed everything he built, the entire town came together to save him. This is Leo's story. And by the end of this video, you'll learn the one secret that changed his life forever. Stay till the end, because what Leo discovered will change your life too. Act 1. The Dream. Meet Leo, 20 years old, living in a small town. Big dreams, but empty pockets. His dad, Mark, a mechanic. His mom, Claire, cleaned houses. His little sister, Sophie, only 10 years old, looking up to him. One cold night, Leo sat outside staring at the stars. He whispered, "I want to give my family a better life. But how? We barely have enough to survive." Next day, he told his dad about his dreams. His father said something that changed everything. "Leo, dreams are not free. If you want something, fight for it. Start with what you have, even if it's small." Leo looked around his town. People loved fresh bread, but the bakery was far away. That's when the idea hit him. Act 2. The First Risk. But here's the problem. Leo had no money, not even to buy one loaf of bread. So he did something crazy. He walked miles to meet Mr. Anderson, the grumpy bakery owner who never trusted anyone. He said, "Sir, I want to sell your bread, but I have no money. Give me bread for 1 week, I'll sell it, return your money, and keep a small profit." Mr. Anderson stared at him. "Why should I trust you?" Leo looked him in the eyes. "Because I am determined, and I'll prove it." After a long silence, Mr. Anderson said, "Fine, 1 week. If you fail, don't come back." Leo's gamble had begun. Next morning, 4 a.m., Leo carried the bread back to his town, set up a small stand near the park. At first, no one bought. People were scared. Is this bread good? But Leo offered free samples, smiled at everyone, talked to them with energy. By evening, sold out, every single loaf. He rushed back to Mr. Anderson and paid him back. The old man nodded. "You kept your word. Come back tomorrow." For the next 2 months, Leo worked like crazy. Woke up at 4 a.m. every day, walked miles, sold bread with passion. He saved enough to buy a small cart. Business was growing. Act 3. The Turning Point. Then one customer said, "Leo, why don't you bake your own bread? You'll make more profit." Leo's eyes lit up, but then fear hit him. "I don't know how to bake." This was the moment, the big decision. He went back to Mr. Anderson. "Sir, teach me how to bake." Mr. Anderson got angry. "Why should I? If you bake, you won't buy from me. That's bad for my business." Leo said, "You gave me my first chance. If I succeed, I'll help your bakery too." The old man paused, then said, "Fine, but baking is hard. It takes time, patience, and pain. If you're ready, I'll teach you." The real training began. 3 a.m. every morning, Leo mixed flour, kneaded dough. His hands hurt. His bread came out hard, then too soft. One day after ruining another batch, Leo sat down feeling broken. Maybe I'm not good enough. Maybe I should quit. But then he remembered, dreams are not free. Every mistake was teaching him something. Giving up, not an option. 2 weeks later, Mr. Anderson handed him a perfect loaf. "Leo, you're ready." Leo started baking at home. His family helped. Sophie packed bread. His mom managed accounts while he worked late nights. Soon he wasn't just selling bread. Cookies, pastries, everything. People said, "Leo's bread tastes better than anything we've had." But success brought a new problem. A new bakery opened, owned by Eric. Big fancy shop, colorful signs, beautiful decorations. People got curious, started buying from him. Leo's sales dropped. Fear kicked in. What if I lose everything? But Leo didn't panic. He did something smart. He asked his customers, "What do you like about Eric's place? What can I do better?" They said, "His shop looks clean. His cakes have beautiful designs." Leo realized he needed to grow. He used his savings, painted his cart, added bright decorations, learned cake decoration from library videos, offered free samples. Slowly, customers came back. An old woman told him, "I've seen many young men give up when times get hard, but you didn't. That's why we trust you." Months passed. Leo saved enough to rent a small shop. He called it Leo's Fresh Bakes. Not as big as Eric's, but warm, welcoming, and full of heart. His family helped. Sophie talked to customers. His mom managed accounts. Business was booming. Life was good. But life had one more test for Leo. Act 5. The Fire. One stormy night, while closing his shop, Leo saw smoke, fire, near the oven. He rushed in with water, stopped the flames, but most of his equipment was destroyed. Next morning, people whispered, "What will Leo do now? Maybe this is the end." Leo stood outside his damaged bakery, heartbroken but not defeated. "This is just another challenge. I faced worse. I won't give up." But when he counted his savings, it wasn't enough to replace everything. Fear crept in again. He went to Mr. Anderson. "Sir, what would you do?" The old man smiled. "Leo, you already know. You've taught yourself. Nothing is free. Work harder. Believe in yourself. People will believe in you." Leo didn't wait for rescue. He started baking at home again with the little equipment he had. He told customers, "I won't let you down. Even if it's just a small amount, I'll keep serving you." And you know what happened? The town came together. Some donated ingredients, some gave money, many helped clean and repair. Leo learned something powerful. When you work hard and never give up, people notice. They want to help someone who helps themselves. After months of hard work, Leo reopened his bakery, better than ever. On reopening day, the mayor came. "Leo, you're a true inspiration. You've shown us, with determination, anything is possible." The lesson. Leo stood in front of the crowd and said, "I want to thank each of you. You taught me that nothing in life is free. Not success, not respect, not love. Everything must be earned with hard work, patience, and never giving up. Failure is not the end. It's just a step to something greater." So what's the one secret Leo discovered? It's simple. Dreams are not free. They need hard work and sacrifice. Failure is not the end. It's your teacher. Help yourself first, then others will support you. Never give up. The darkest moments come right before success. Leo didn't just build a bakery. He built a life full of purpose, respect, and pride. And so can you. Whatever your dream is, don't stop chasing it. Remember, nothing is free, but everything is possible.